This one must be about 30 days old. But what happens is, look, when the nail has a detachment, automatically, when the other nail underneath starts to grow, look here, from the matrix it ends up detaching. See how it's open here? There is probably already a nail underneath here. Let's see how it is.
I'll start here. It was already recorded.
Remember that here, where we are working, is one of the most sensitive areas of the nail because it's right at the matrix.
Look, for those who don't know, I'm cutting everything with a small chisel bee. Baby.
It's a chisel, and this chisel is made for us by the folks at KPR, and it comes sharpened from the factory. Besides being a very delicate instrument, I like it a lot. And Mom already told me that they are going to the beat because that's when problems start there. Look, the nail is coming off. It is... Want to see space, look for the nail to come loose. Look how cool. See.
Only a thin black layer remained underneath.
Look, but here there's already a new nail, you'll see it.
That hit of yours was strong, huh?
So here, for example, if this was the main focus of the injury, consequently, it's where there's still some recovery. The best part of the video, right? When people do like this. Bye-bye. Thanks, everyone.